Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some items from the Mega Drop Shop from Ipsy, and they sent it to me in this Boxycharm box, which this Boxycharm box, if you can see, it's pretty beat up because it was shoved into my mailbox, y'all. I mean, I had to grab this edge and pull, and then it kept ripping. It was horrible. I don't know. My mail lady would never do this, so she must be off, and somebody took over and didn't bother putting that in my carport, which is what she would do. Anyway, this is heavy. I got a few things. Let's see what I got. But first I'll tell you what I'm wearing. I have on, allergies, so my voice is going in and out. I have this on my eyes. I have Violet Voss Olive You Forever. And it's beautiful greens and neutrals. It has a mirror, so I have to show it to you upside down. It's a beautiful palette. We got this in Boxy a while back, a couple years ago, maybe. Before, I think when it was still Boxy, I got that. And then I have this, just because I needed some moisture on my lips. This is very nice. This is a balm. It's Persona brand. I don't know if you can see that because it's so small on this lippy. This color is Manifest, and it says Manifest E-Balm. So it is, excuse me, it looks real red, and it's just, you know, it goes on like a balm, and it's just very moisturizing. So because it's a balm, it'll stay, you know, moist and wet. It won't, you know, it'll show up on your glass and stuff like that. Anyway, let's see what I got from the Mega Drop Shop. So the Mega Drop Shop is something that Ipsy does every quarter, and it started with, what is today? Was this April 1st? April 2nd? Mega Drop Shop. No, it didn't start. I don't remember when it started. It started mid-April-ish. Yeah. Anyway, it's just by the quarter. They do sales. Ipsy has sales all the time, y'all, all the time. But they do the Mega Drop Shop every quarter. So let's see what I got. Their prices, you know, everything's gone up, y'all. So I just did the best I could. I don't need things because I get so many things in boxes. But sometimes they have things I just can't pass up. So that's what I got. So I did cut the seal on it. Pardon me for my voice. Look at the old box. I wish this wasn't all banged up because I love the box. Hello, Charmer. Y'all remember that? Remember those days? And the pink inside. And there's a quick sneak peek of what I got. They really have it shoved in here pretty good. Well, let's see what I got here. I did get a bag of these. These are their wipes. This is the Refresh. They have a brand called Refreshments that you can get delivered to you regularly, but sometimes some of their products are in the shop, in the drop shop or the regular shop, and these are their cleansing face wipes. There's 30 in a package. It's I don't know if you can see how cute their packaging is. This is like a lilac color, and there's gold butterflies on it. It's very pretty packaging. They have razor blades, you know, for shaving. They have moisturizers, soaps and things like that. They have all kinds of things, just things that you need regularly, like, you know, for the bathroom kind of stuff. And I'm trying to think of what else they have. They have many different items. I've never received the Refreshments line, which I think that comes as often as you need it. So if you need something monthly or every 6 weeks, that's how that program works. I've never tried it. They say they're a $9 value for 30 wipes. I would never pay $9 for this, but these were on sale for $2. I have paid $3 for these. I've gotten 2 for $5 in the past. Those days are probably gone. This was $2, and this was only on the very first day. I placed my order the first day. The second day, these were $3, so it might have been a special going on. They do have at the top of the sale on my phone, they have deals of the day. And I check that every day, y'all, and it doesn't really change. It used to change. Boxy would tell us every day what they were going to have on sale, so you could look forward to that certain day for something you really wanted, something that you loved that was on a great sale. So, but for $2, this is well worth it. These are pretty good wipes. Okay, Camille. And then I got, they made a little boo-boo here. Let's see what I got. I got 2 bags. All right. Camille, what's on you? I got 2 bags, and she sits right on my notes, y'all. I got a, this is a mystery, the October 2023 mystery glam bag. And it is, usually they sell the glam bags, the mystery bags, or leftover bags from different months for $16. And this was $10. So that's why I bought it. They had 4 or 5 different $10 bags, and I only chose one. And then they also had a Season of Sparkle mystery bag, which is the full size, the 5 full-size items. And that is this. And see, now nothing is in the actual bag. It's all in these plastic bags. So we're going to see what's in these. Let's see what's in these. I might just open one now. Well, we'll see. We'll see how far we go. But I did, y'all. I bought this, and they sent me 2. This really doesn't happen to me, but I'm happy to have it. I'll pass along one to y'all. I love the Keys Soulcare products. And this is $18. These are $18 a piece, and they had them for $5. So this is the Comforting Tinted Lip Balm. I'm wearing a lip balm. It is in Sheer Bliss Pure Ecstasy maybe? It's E-X-T-A-S-E. So a play on words, I'm not sure. It is sealed on one end, so we will open the bottom. The bottom is not sealed. And let's see what it looks like. I love anything I've had from Keys Soulcare. Has been wonderful. So it's that gorgeous blue, that gorgeous cobalt blue, and then it's there. It says Keys, and it's going to be a lot like what I have on, but the color is a little bit different. So let me show you. See, it's just a light. It's a light balm. It doesn't really have a scent. What did I say the color name was? Sheer Bliss Pure Ecstasy. Very, very pretty. I like that. So that will go in my little lippy bag that I carry a million lippies with me every day. And then they sent me 2, and I'm looking at my invoice, and I did only order 1. I thought, well, maybe I accidentally ordered 2, but no, I didn't. I only ordered 1. So that will go in a future giveaway. And let's open up the October 2023 mystery glam bag. Okay, so this is how it is. And I may need to, I'm just going to break into it. This is the bag. How cute is this bag? October 2023. I didn't get the glam bag in October. I think I started getting this in November. I've had it for a long time, and then I didn't have it for about a year or so. This is so pretty. It's the Halloween bag. It's it doesn't look it. It looks shiny, but it's velvety feeling. And this is a bat. I don't know. Can you see that? Because I don't think I can get that off right now. I can try. It does have a tag here that says Ipsy in black, and then the inside is black. So let's see what's in there. And there's, this is the glam bag. So these are deluxe samples. And there's no card. So we have Honeybee brand, Hunny, paraben and sulfate free, unwind and hydrate, Haiku skin, it's Haiku skincare. So Honeybee is not the brand. Honeybee is maybe the scent. It's a body lotion. Haiku skincare. Can you see that? It's very light. This is full it's full, which is nice. So this is nice. Okay, it's sealed. So it smells perfumey. I can smell that through the cap. Through that. It smells very perfumey. It might not be for me, but that is some skincare. That's very nice. It's a nice size. And then we have, let's see, we've got Lottie London. I've had this before. This is very pretty. Now this I believe they call this a full size, y'all. I'm pretty sure. It is sealed in shrink wrap, so we're gonna leave it that way. This is the rusts. So they're beautiful colors. I have this. I don't know if I still have it, but I think I gave it to a friend. But it's very pretty. They're very pretty colors. Maybe that's not considered a full size. I do know some of these little ones are considered full sizes. But since I don't have a card to read to you, I can't tell you. And then there's this bag. It's all these bags. It's such a waste with all these bags in here. Let me get this open. All right, I tried to open everything, y'all. I have 2 items from Algenist. Algenist is an expensive brand, y'all. This is cute. I've never seen this one before. This is the Blue Algae Vitamin C Dark Spot Correcting Peel. Okay. And I like this kind of a deluxe sample when it has a pump like this, because you take out just what you need. So I have this dark spot right here that I cannot do anything with. Nothing works. But anyway, I may try that on there. That's a good size. I like that. And then I also have this Algenist, and this is really nice. I've had this one before. This is, how adorable is that? This is the Algae Peptide Regenerative Moisturizer. And this is really nice. I've used this before. I believe I even had it in my empties before. So cute little package. It's gold. You know, it's hard to see all these letterings, but that is very nice. And then our 5th item is Dew of the Gods, another great product line. This is Haya Activated Pink Clay Mask for healing and hydrating. Now, I like Dew of the Gods products, the ones that I've had and tried, but I noticed a lot of their products seem to be for younger skin than me, because clay is all right. It's drying for me, but to use it once in a while, and then make sure that you hydrate really well afterwards. This is sealed, of course. So, but this feels like it's pretty solid in there, and Dew of the Gods is great. So this would probably work maybe twice. Maybe even maybe more. It depends on how much you put on. You put a mud mask on and you let it dry, and then you wash it off. So that is really nice, y'all. This beautiful bag with the bats. I forgot to take that plastic off, but there's the bat. Isn't that pretty? I know that you Halloween people will really love that. I think it's beautiful. And then we have the Haiku Skincare Lotion, Body Lotion, and the Dew of the Gods Clay, and the 2 Algenist products, and the Lottie London little eyeshadow palette. And then, do we have time? Let me see. Y'all, I'm going to show the other on another video because this is getting too long. This one was called the October 2023 Mystery Glam Bag. And I will show the Season of Sparkle Mystery Bag, which I assume is from Christmas time, which has the 5 full-size mystery items in it. And so I paid $10 for this, that's usually $14, and then when they have them on, they're in their sales, they're $16, so it was nice to get it for $10. I got the refreshments for $2. I got the Keys Soulcare lip balm for $5, and they sent me another by accident. I will let them know that, and they'll tell me to keep it is what they'll do. So I'll put that in the future giveaway. And then I got the Season of Sparkle Mystery Bag for $28, and that is a $147 value. On this bag, these products that were in here, it says that the value is $57 for these deluxe samples. And I'll try to take pictures and put them on Instagram if I remember, y'all. So let me do another video. I paid $45 for this Mega Drop Shop order. I paid $1.99 for the handling, and my value is $231 for everything. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and check out part number 2 when I have it running. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.